This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, October 10th. Stock index futures, after a very volatile trade in the overnight session, now are sharply higher. This after President Trump said that on Friday he will meet with China's vice premier. So it looks like a better tone to the U.S.China trade situation as far as talks are concerned. One thing I would caution though, any time any market gets political, that is a good time to not do very much. So I think I would stand aside in the stock index futures during these trade negotiations. Of course, those are ongoing today and tomorrow. Longer term, still looks like stock index futures will trade higher as the dominant influence still is the interest rate situation, which is very supportive to the stock index futures longer term. Currency markets seeing the dollar index under some pressure. This after reports that there may be some type of agreement between the U.S. and China for China to not devalue its currency. I'm inclined to believe that that may not happen. So the dollar index at lower levels now, I think, will not continue. I would look for a recovery today in the dollar index. And longer term, it still appears that interest rate differentials are supportive to the greenback. Interest rate markets, flight to quality longs being liquidated today. Again, I would stand aside in these markets as well during these trade talks. Once the talks are over, next week I think we will start focusing again on interest rates and Fed policy. And it appears that there is about an 87% chance that the Fed will be cutting interest rates at the October 30th meeting. Of course, that would be supportive to the all of the interest rate futures markets. So between now and then, I think I'd hold off on doing a lot in these markets, but the bull market should resume in the interest rate futures markets next week as traders start looking ahead to the Fed meeting. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.